Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I'm very happy to be announced that the 13th state to join for the MyGo Goa portal. बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हम MyGo Goa portal के लिए join हो रहे हैं. On the task, discussion, polls, talks, blogs, everything. But besides this, I think it will promote the tourism industry in the state of Goa. So directly we are connecting to the nationwide. We are comparing in all the states with the other states. In tourism industry, in the IT industry, so that will more benefit for the state. And definitely there will be the discussion on the different topics, the nationwide or the statewide. It will give the more benefits for the states. So directly connecting with the nationwide. I think with this MyGo Goa portal, so many participants from the states, they will participate on different forum on the MyGo. There will be the discussion, healthy discussion of the different government policies. Different discussion will be on the different new policies, new act, new laws, whichever coming into the states. It will be also the discussions among the citizens on the different topics within the states.